We have the next one, matrix matching. In column 1, we have some reactions, and in the column 2, the final product formed give positive Tallips test, final product give so and so test, that is 2,4-DNP, final lab tests are given for the product formed. So the first one we have A, benzaldehyde with alkaline KCN product. We have already discussed this reaction when benzaldehyde is treated with potassium cyanide, benzoin condensation takes place to give a ketone, and thereby final product form give positive tolerance test is not possible. Final product gives test with 2,4-DNP. Yes, it is the test for carbonyl compound, so goes with Q. A goes with Q. And final product reacts with NaHCO3. This is for carboxylic acid. Final product reacts with sodium and liberate hydrogen. In the product formed here, the OH group will be there, thereby reacts with sodium to liberate hydrogen. So the answer is QS. Whereas for a diketone which is treated with OH minus followed by H plus, and the product formed, this comes under a reaction called benzylic acid rearrangement to give hydroxycarboxylic acid. So hydroxycarboxylic acid P, Q are not possible, reacts with R to liberate carbon dioxide because acidic group will be there. R is right. And since OH group is there as well as acidic group is there, which will be responsible for giving S, formation of 6-membered ring. So already 6-membered ring, therefore in this no formation of 6-membered ring is there. Then we have C going with what? It is ester, CH3COET, C2H5ONA and H3O plus. It is ester in the presence of strong base followed by hydrolysis is a Claisen condensation, Claisen ester condensation. So it gives the ketone as the product. So therefore it gives ketone 2,4-DNP test but not tolerance test. So it goes with Q. And ketone does not have these two tests, nor the member formed will be 6-membered one. So it goes only with Q. And then we have the last one goes with what? This is a dihydroxy derivative where two hydroxy groups are side by side with H plus. Rearrangement takes place to give a ketone which will give 2,4-DNP test. So Q. And then in this rearrangement takes place to give a 6-membered ring. So therefore T. So thus QT will become the answer. So when we go for A, which is benzaldehyde, 2 moles of which in the presence of alcoholic KCN we get 5CHOH and C double bond O 5. So here OH group is there which can give hydrogen gas when treated with sodium, and C double bond O keto group is there, therefore it will give 2,4-DNP test. And final product reacts with sodium to liberate hydrogen. So therefore it also goes with S. And when you take B, it is a diketone in the presence of OH minus followed by hydrolysis. This is benzylic acid rearrangement to give what? The above one is benzoin condensation. And the product formed in this case is a 5-membered ring with OH group here and acidic group. So therefore it gives the test for COOH with sodium bicarbonate and also gives the test with sodium metal to liberate hydrogen, and likewise this OH group. So therefore the answer will be R, that is final product reacts with sodium bicarbonate and liberate carbon dioxide because of the acidic group, and acidic group as well as this OH group reacts with sodium metal to liberate hydrogen. So the answer is RS. And when we go for the C, we have an ester CH3 C double bond O OET, and this on treatment with sodium ethoxide which is a strong base, and then hydrolysis with heating in acidic medium, then Claisen ester condensation takes place to give ketones and give the product as acetone, and it is a ketone, therefore gives 2,4-DNP test but not iodoform test or the other two. Therefore only it goes with answer Q. And then we have D going with what? This is rearrangement involved reaction, and this on treatment with H plus followed by heating gives the product the 6-membered ring and this, and it's a ketone, therefore once again gives 2,4-DNP test, and here 6-membered ring is formed, and therefore it not only goes with 2,4-DNP test, that is Q, and also goes with T.